Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting in Excel. We'll start by covering fundamental accounting concepts, which are crucial for any financial work. Then, we'll dive into the specific Excel tools and functions that make managing financial data efficient and accurate. You'll discover how to set up basic accounting records and generate useful reports, building a solid foundation for your skills. Mastering a few key Excel functions will significantly boost your accounting efficiency. The SUM and average functions are perfect for quick totals and insights into your financial data. Using IF statements allows you to automate calculations based on specific conditions, like applying different tax rates. For retrieving specific information from extensive datasets, VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP are incredibly powerful tools you'll use often. Applying what you learn is key to solidifying your skills. Start by building a general ledger in Excel to record every financial transaction. From this ledger, you can then construct an income statement and a balance sheet, providing clear financial snapshots. Don't forget to explore pivot tables. They are fantastic for summarizing and analyzing large amounts of accounting data, offering flexible reporting options. To truly excel, consider diving into more advanced features like macros to automate repetitive accounting tasks, saving you valuable time. There are many excellent online courses and tutorials available that can deepen your understanding of both accounting principles and Excel's capabilities. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously practicing and seeking new knowledge will keep your accounting skills sharp and up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.